There are some truly incredible ways to make money online without having to put in any actual effort on your part. You can just imitate what has already been done, add your own unique spin to it, and profit from it. Now, rather than having to list all of the possibilities that are available, I'll just tell you about the best one in today's video. I'll demonstrate for you how to easily copy and paste $1,780. One of the most amazing ways to earn a lot of money is through copy and paste work. But exactly how would we approach it? Actually, there are other approaches to take, and in this video, I'll tell you all about one of them. Rest assured that virtually anyone can enter this line of work without even needing any technical expertise or difficult abilities. Only a device, an internet connection, and the desire to persevere are required, since this strategy necessitates some consistency in order to be effective. So if you don't start making hundreds of dollars right away, please don't be too hasty to ignore this video. To reach that level would require patience and perseverance. Oh, and if you watch this video through to the finish, I actually have a unique extra that will help you reach the point of earning hundreds of dollars every day much more quickly. But first, generate income. Welcome to the channel Zilla Finance. Make sure to subscribe if you are new on this channel and turn on the notification bell for new videos, so you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video I have for you on how to make money online. Learning how to make money online is one thing, acting on that knowledge is quite another. Don't hesitate to give this video a like so you may return to it later and review some of my precise steps. You can also post a comment below with any issues, queries, or thoughts you might have on the video. Let's start making money now. Today, Amazon.com would be the main platform we would be using. I would like to think that at least 80% of those watching are familiar with it. You probably associate Amazon with selling something right away, and I can't really blame you given Amazon has established itself as the leading retailer of all things e-commerce in the modern world. On the customer-facing side, Amazon actually offers many more opportunities than this. Amazon also provides digital streaming services with Amazon Prime, cloud computing platforms with AWS, online advertising, artificial intelligence, comic book ordering, and even drop delivery. But let me just say straight away, that's not where the focus of today's strategy would be. You won't be streaming, dropshipping, or selling anything. I'll go into more detail about how we would use Amazon to earn $1,780 in a moment. It only requires easy copying and pasting. On this Amazon homepage, we will now move to the top right corner of the page, where it reads Hello, Sign In. You might access this page by clicking on that. At the bottom, select Create your Amazon account as a new user. Now that you have an Amazon account, allow me to explain how and why we will use it to generate online income today. We'll be generating revenue through a website called Amazon Kindle. For those of you who are unaware of what this is, don't worry, I'll explain it. A platform developed by Amazon called Amazon Kindle allows users to produce, design, and read a variety of ebooks at any time of the day from any location in the world. In order to mine mind-blowing sums of money, those trying to make money online, like you and me, typically concentrate on the construction of these ebooks. Take this ebook here, Corrupted Chaos, for instance, which is currently selling for $5.11. To open it, we simply click on it. We can see right away that this book has more than 40 ratings, which merely indicates that at least 40 copies have been bought. You might easily calculate that this book has brought in over $20,000 just by doing a little math. Crazy money, that. Please click the like and subscribe buttons below if you've been enjoying the videos so far and want to be kept informed about new ones. Let's continue. Oh, and keep in mind that this ebook is by no means the only one to have earned this much money. Similar numbers can be found for many more ebooks on Amazon Kindle. This one right here, The Quarry Girls, is $5 and has received more than 13,000 reviews. That will earn at the very least $65,000, which is more than the prior scenario. There are many of them, which I could list here, but I believe you understand the general idea. You can earn absolutely insane sums of money on Amazon by selling ebooks. Selling those ebooks will also make you a ton of money because to Amazon's immense popularity. We can observe that Amazon is ranked first in e-commerce in the US by going to similarweb.com and searching for it. The fourth most visited website overall in the United States and one of the top 12 worldwide is Amazon.com. During the previous 3 months, the number of visitors to Amazon has been in the billions, not the hundreds of thousands or even the millions. Simply put, because of how well-liked it is, selling such ebooks on Amazon has a very high potential for financial success. An additional benefit is that once you post this ebook to Amazon, it remains there permanently. You won't have to bother advertising yourself elsewhere as Amazon will do it for you regularly. Not on social media, blogs, and certainly not to your loved ones. Once you upload an ebook, your work is essentially done because Amazon will take care of everything else. Now that you know how to earn $1,780 with only a little copy and paste, you would have to write several novels. I'm going to show you a website where you can download already written books that have been done for you, which you can then sell on Amazon Kindle to earn a ton of cash without doing any work at all. You would need to visit kdpamazon.com and log in using the newly formed Amazon account in order to accomplish this. You can view more advantages of selling ebooks on Amazon on this page. To start, publishing an ebook on Amazon takes a total of 5 minutes. If someone from the US buys your ebook, you can keep up to 70% of the royalties. Among many others, Canada, the UK, and Germany. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, you should get over to the hidden platform right away to complete your order for UA Books. The name of this website is freeplrdownload.com. On this website, you may find thousands of digital items on some of the most popular subjects, brand them, and make money off of them. You can sell ebooks with private label rights, or PLR, and add your name as the author if you like. On this stairway, even if you didn't write the books yourself, you may still claim authorship and sell them on Amazon to earn thousands of dollars. You can find a new book relating to just about anything that you believe would sell the best because there are a ton of potential niches. This will cover subjects like dogs, music, the military, and family. You must hover over this ebooks option and choose PLR ebooks on this page in order to download an ebook from this website. The various niches on the left side can be simply searched. Once you've made the best decision, just click it to begin downloading to your device. The book can then be uploaded to Amazon Kindle, where you can start earning a fortune. And that's it guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please like the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell for new videos uploaded weekly. See you next video.